Good morning. Today we're going to be talking about line weight or weighted line. It doesn't matter which way you just talk about it. And on your paper, you're going to make a headline, line weight, the strength, heaviness, or darkness of a line. And line weight can be very useful in helping you describe an object as you draw it. And I'm going to be drawing this little toy creature, whatever it is, and trying to show you some line weight at the same time. We're going to be doing contour line like we did last time, where you were showing the edge of an object, but this time we're going to be adding some line weight to show where the shading is to help describe the form. Now, he's a little bit more complex than some of the objects I was drawing before. I'm going to try to draw him dark enough for you to see, and then I'm going to add the line weight. A lot of times when I start drawing, I kind of sketch out the general basic shapes of the thing. And I'm looking back and forth. If you could see what my eyes were doing, I'm looking at the little figure, I'm looking at my paper, I'm comparing relative sizes and spaces and shapes of things. And then hope I'm drawing dark enough it shows on the camera and on the screen. I have a tendency to be a little messy when I sketch out. Sometimes I do things with a lot of confidence and I don't make a lot of changes, and sometimes I go slow and make a lot of lines. There's a word for making a lot of lines. If you make a lot of lines trying to pick out the right one, it's called a searching line. So I'm using my lines, some sketchy lines, to search out and try to find the right shape for this little figure. Then I can go back in and clean up, pick and choose the lines I want to keep, get rid of the ones I don't want. I don't mind a lot of sketchy lines actually when I'm just drawing for myself. But for this assignment, okay, I'm going to keep the lines on the side that the light is hitting lighter, less pressure. I'm literally holding my pencil in the middle so I don't press so hard. And then the lines on the side that are catching the shadows over here, I'm going to press a lot harder. I'm moving my fingers down, and I'm even going to thicken up and darken some of these lines so that we can see that this side is darker than that side. It's like baby stepping into shading. Okay, weighted line. There's one. I want you to do 3 objects on your paper showing weighted line.